What's up guys, Dr. Josh here. I have my lovely and beautiful, amazing wife, Brooke. She's volunteered to get adjusted. So we're gonna check her neck out. She does get neck tension. We're gonna check her back out because she gets some low back soreness. We also have our little boys in the background, the little monkeys running around. All right, Mama, do you feel it more? Is it stiffer on one side versus another ear?
On the right.
That's what I thought. There too. Right there, tight there. All right. Let me get ready for this. I'm just going to stretch a little bit before. Bring your head right here. Right there. Good. Lean this way. Drop that shoulder. Good. Good. How was that? Is that yummy?
Yummy.
Very yummy. All right. Let's go face down. Okay, so we're going to do a little different move on her neck. Because her neck tends to, I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Okay, her neck tends to kind of come forward. A lot of people's neck comes forward, so we're going to give her a little different move than most of the moves we do there. So we're going to bring her right there, sweetie. Whoa! Nice! How'd that feel?
Wow.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
I'll wake you up. A little wake up juice. All right. All right. Which side feels tighter down here?
Right.
Yeah, that's what I was feeling. Okay, let's have you turn this way, sweetie. All right. There we go. All good? Drop right there. Let this leg fall. Good. Nice. Whoa. Whoa. That was a bit.
Woo.
Feel good? All right. Get a little tears in the eyes. That's okay. I've been known to make her cry. Just kidding. All right. She's also the patient that always moves her body out of the position I put her in. She just keeps sliding it the other way. She likes to be challenging. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Crazy. She is teared up. It's an emotional moment.
I was in the last video.
Yes, you were. Thanks, Phil. Thanks,
My
Phil.
mommy's crying.
Your mommy's crying. Oh my gosh.
So good.
Wow, you were due.
So good.
You were due. Best crack in California, guys.
High five.
Come get it. High five. You know it, lover. You know it. All right. Thanks, guys.